Hello and welcome to this brief little demonstration video for this week's lesson. So basically, like you can't really exactly see the changes and things, but I'll show you what obviously I can. But a lot of this data now is being brought into a database, and it looks, basically exactly the same and stuff. Except, however, there's a few things you can now do. So just to show that the database, is working, I'll just put in some dummy data here. So like normal, I can save it here, but to show that it's actually saving, even if I refresh the page, go back to it, you can see that information still there. And then that's the same thing with all the others. It's like here, it's like I can like drag, contacts, save them and whatever. It adds it to the list. I can go here, you can see it still saves everything. Which is good. Here, I'm just going to delete this real quick. And then I can head over to like messages here. I can do a example. Hello. Okay. Then I can just send that. I'll add it there with the default ID already in there. Now I can, change and it's still there. I can refresh and it's still there. But yeah, that is my basic little demonstration video for this week's assignment.